to talk about how to make her come through penetration. And I want to share with you 3 power moves. And here's the thing. Sometimes a woman is going to love for sex to be very soft, to be very sensual, for you to be very caring. But there is that other side to us that needs just the opposite. And that is we just need a good pounding. Because here's the reality. We have light and we have darkness. We have soft and we have rough. It is called polarity, which makes life very exciting and very beautiful. And in this video, we're going to talk about the darker side of this, meaning the harder side, the rougher side, the more powerful side that she does need to feel from you. And I get it. There's some of you guys out there and you're like, I don't want to do that, Arica. I don't want to hurt her. I don't want to make her feel uncomfortable. But I'll just be super honest with you. When you go into sex with that mentality, it can be caring, it can be nurturing, but what she doesn't feel is your masculine presence. She doesn't feel that fierceness, that ferocity that you as a man carry inside. And guess what? We need to feel that, because somewhere in our little primal self, we wonder, if a bear were to come and kill me, would this guy be able to protect me? Or would he take his violin out and gently put the bear to sleep? Or is he gonna go and find a rock or something and just beat the shit out of this bear for me? So that's the kind of mindset that I want you to think about, is you're appealing to that very primal side of her. Yes, she has a nurturing side. Yes, she has a sweet side. Yes, she needs to feel that side from you. It can't just be one or the other. It can't just be hard, rough sex, and it can't just be this soft, gentle, I want to caress you in the moonlight, and I want you to feel loved by me, darling, and I want you to feel caressed. Yeah, that's nice. But we also need that hair pulling, ass smacking, thrown around on the bed sheets, masculine power from you. So let's get into what those things are. And listen, if you're one of these guys, you're like, Arica, I never know which one to do because I get so insecure in the bedroom. It's okay. I have you. You can get my 7 free exercises that will boost your bedroom confidence in the bedroom. Put it in the comment section. It's in the description. Trust me, you want to get that. It's a free PDF download and you want to put it into practice right now. So one of the power moves that you can do when you're penetrating us is when you have us in the doggy style position. But there is a caveat. It's when you can actually reach, and I know it's a little tricky, but when you can reach over and you can stimulate our clitoris at the same time, that is a real power move. Here's the thing. When you just do doggy style, we may not always come. In fact, a lot of women are not always going to come in doggy style. And you may be thinking, Arica, that's not true. That's not my experience. I hear her screaming, so therefore she must be coming. Not necessarily. It's that pleasure pain, when you can feel like that pain of sex, but it also brings pleasure. Most likely that is what she is feeling. She's not necessarily coming, but it's building her up to get to that come. So I don't want you to think just because she's screaming, it's like, oh, she's coming. No, the screaming indicates that she's also being built up so that she can come. And you know when she comes because you're going to feel those vagina walls restricting around your penis, like cobra just around you. So when she's screaming, know that you're building her up. But if you want to make her come, this is what makes it such a beautiful power move, is when you're touching her clitoris at the same time. And I do have erotic power positions. There's over 20 positions that you can put us in, because I know sometimes sex can get dull and boring if you're doing the same moves over and over again. And trust me, she's probably getting bored with you as well. And that's when she stops wanting to have sex with you. So we don't want her to get bored with you. We don't want her to stop having sex with you. So try the erotic power positions. Try these different positions that I share. Some of them you've probably never heard of. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. But when you play with these positions and you give her different alternatives to sex, that's where you open up the ice cream chest of sex. And it's like, honey, do you want vanilla? You want pistachio? You want coffee? You want creme brulee? Because girl, I got it all and I'm about to put it down on you. Butterscotch, I got you truffle butter. If you know what truffle butter is in the comment section, please tell me truffle butter. I'm sorry, I had to slide that joke in. I had to slide it in. Get it? Had to slide it in. I can't help myself. She's on a roll. Get erotic power positions. Let's go to the next one. Another very sexy move, and I think it's just sexy because it shows your sheer power, is when you push her up against the wall and you're able to pull up that one leg and you're able to penetrate her that way. That is such a a sexy move. Why? Because it's not the standard, let's lay on the bed, let me play a flute for you, let me seduce you in all the gentle, nice ways as I lay you in missionary and I gently stroke your legs. Yes, there's a time and place for that. But when you're savage and you like push her against the wall, obviously you don't want to hurt her and like her head bounces off the wall. Like, I hope we can use some common sense here. Yes, yes. But you push her against the wall firmly, and then you just lift up one leg and then you start penetrating her. And when you've got her in that position, it's going to excite her. Why? Because it's the spontaneity that she wasn't expecting. It's that savage, raw side of you that she didn't know you were capable of, but you've done something to her that she's only seen in movies, she's only read about in books. But lo and behold, she didn't know that her rock star of a husband, partner, boyfriend, whatever you are, lover, had the capabilities to do that to her. So you show her your sheer and raw power, and it really turns her on. It makes her more excited to want to have sex with you because you're showing her that adventurous side of you that maybe she's never experienced before, or it's been so damn long since you've shown her that side that now she's very excited, and she's going to be more excited to go to bed with you. She's going to fantasize about this the next day, about you pushing her against that wall. She may even tell her girlfriends about it, but she's going to think about this moment over and over, and you want her thinking about you over and over sexually. Why? Because the more she thinks about you sexually, the more she's going to want to what? Have sex with you. Okay? You got it? You got it. Okay. Let's go to another power move. Another power move is when you just, now obviously you have to have something of the right size, but when you just go and you bend a woman over the table, let's say you have a table that you can bend her over, and you just bend her over and you penetrate her from behind. Also, I do want to say, when you can still touch her clitoris in this position, it's super sexy. There is something so erotic. It's like, you know, you hear about men having affairs with their secretaries, or women obviously having affairs within the workplace. What is it? It's that taboo of like, we shouldn't be doing this here. It's back to that dirty, naughty little secret of you and I are engaging in something that we technically should not be doing. Maybe you eat on this table, maybe you work on this table, whatever the case may be, but we shouldn't be doing it right here. That is the taboo of it that makes it so powerful, that makes it so exciting. So when you bend her over, you just pull up her skirt, her dress, or you just pull down her pants, whatever it is that she's wearing. She's not expecting it. It's an unexpected move. And when you do that to her while you're also stimulating her clitoris, adios mio papi. You are putting it down on her in ways that she didn't know you could, she didn't know you were capable of, or maybe she just simply forgot. Hell, maybe you forgot what a boss you can be in the bedroom. But make sure that you put her in these positions. So I can't wait to read the comments to see who knew what truffle butter was. That's gonna be really funny. But I hope you have subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel. And my darling, I will see you in my next video. You take care. Oh, and by the way, I forgot, here's a video that you also should watch next. Thank you. See you next time.